I think I must.
Red is the symbol of emergency, I repeat, and this red should not be given to anyone other than the...
Gaurav,
yeah.
I'm just going to say one thing. This is people who are asking so many questions. Can I take a couple of calls? Okay, Kumar Vishwas, you have one. Kumar Vishwas.
Respond first. Can I respond first?
1 second, please. Kumar Vishwas.
कहता है कि आप अपने
कहिए कुमार विश्वास जी. No, 1 sec. कुमार विश्वास
मैं
first.
गौरव से ये पूछना चाहता हूं, जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता है कि आप अपनी पार्टी की फंडिंग को पारदर्शी बनाइए, तो ये कहते हैं कि कानून में जो है उसके हिसाब से बता तो रहे हैं. जब हम कहते हैं कि भाई लोकपाल को मजबूत बनाइए, तो बोले कानून में जो है वो तुम बना तो रहे हैं. तो एक तो आपने कानून ऐसे बना लिए हैं जिनमें आपने रास्ते निकाल लिए हैं, और उसके बाद आप नया कानून बनाते नहीं है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट एक अध्यापक की तरह, एक हेडमास्टर की तरह इन सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टियों को शरारती बच्चे की तरह डांटता रहता है. आपको याद होगा, अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 4 महीने पहले कहा कि इनसे मकान खाली करवाइए और इनको धक्के मार के बाहर निकालिए. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा अगर ये खाली ना करें तो आप फोर्स इस्तेमाल करिए. यानी कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये जानता था कि हमारी पॉलिटिकल क्लास इतनी ढीठ हो गई है कि वो मकान तक नहीं छोड़ रही है.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं,
हम क्यों चुनकर
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि पंजाब में व्हाई डज
सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को मत कहिए भाई. If you don't allow me to respond, this is not fair, Arnab. Why am I in the debate if you don't allow me to respond?
आप सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को कह रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डाटा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट
ने करिए.
Which are those political parties?
Arnab, give me time to respond.
You can't blame
I want you to
political
discuss
class.
the judgment, which is important.
No, you don't make it technical and legal with me, Gaurav. I can also throw back the law at you. I can also throw back the law at you. Don't try and make you answer my simple. No, 1 minute. You argue for this. I say you are taking away my right to personal liberty. When you don't allow anybody to take their child to school, when you don't allow somebody to take their ailing parents to the hospital, when somebody is blocked because of these lal battis, you are violating my personal liberty and you have no constitutional right to do so. And I'm going to ask you this one question. Why does the vice chancellor of a university in Punjab need a lal batti? Why does an income tax joint commissioner need a lal batti?
Now,
why do advisors to the chief minister need a lal batti?
Arnab, now
No, why does in Gujarat, why does the principal secretary of the administration department want a lal batti? Why in Madhya Pradesh?
Don't allow me to respond.
No, why in Madhya Pradesh does the chairman of the Human Rights Commission need a lal batti?
Why are you blaming political leaders?
Who's made these rules? Political leaders.
This is not done, Arnab.
Why are you blaming
You made these rules.
No member parliament is allowed to have a lal batti. No member of legislative assembly is allowed to have a lal batti.
But they have how many have been arrested for carrying a lal batti? How many of them have been arrested for having a lal batti?
Sitting in the studio taking a very...
What do you mean sitting in the studio? Kumar Danish Ali, name one member of parliament. Name one member of parliament who's been arrested for having a lal batti. Name one. Who's been arrested for having a lal batti?
You don't allow me to speak.
Don't throw this line sitting in the studio at me.
If you allow me to.
Don't throw this line.
Arnab, I'll tell you that
political leaders.
See this.
When you don't have an answer, the standard answer is you're sitting in the studio and asking questions. If you want, I can come there to your house and ask you the same questions. That will not change the nature of the question.
The member of parliament or member of legislative assemblies are not entitled. And they are not using.
Can I tell you one thing? I'll tell you one thing. You listen to me, Mr. Danish Ali. First of all, I'll tell you one thing. Politicians need to come down to earth.
Yeah.
You are also citizens. Don't think you are some separate species. You have different. What is happening in our country today? We are asking you, why were you corrupt? We are asking you, why is the inflation going up? We are asking you, who do you think you are that you carry around the lal battis? And don't get upset when I'm asking you. Because I don't think the founding fathers of this constitution made this country free so that millions of people carry lal battis around. This is snatching away my independence, and I'm going to ask those questions. And I'll tell you one more thing. After the bomb blast in Mumbai, the police found these kind of lights in the residence of Tiger Memon. Tiger Memon's plan was to use a vehicle with these lal battis to bomb the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Hall. You don't understand. Even the terrorist outside today realizes your weakness for a lal batti. What more example do you need? I'm going to open up phone lines now. Mr. Danish Ali, you hear it from the people. Colonel Mahesh is calling from Delhi. Colonel Mahesh.
Can I leave the debate, please?
No, one second. You can.
Arnab, can I leave the debate?
No, Gaurav, you can't. You must listen to the voice of the people.
Allow me to speak. Why should I sit?
Okay, one response.
No, I will listen, but then you should allow me to respond.
Gaurav, listen to one caller. I will come to you after that. One sec. Colonel Mahesh from Delhi. Good evening.
Hi, Arnab. Good evening. My question is from Delhi.
Yeah, go ahead.
Arnab, my question is to the legacy political parties, Rajat Gupta and Mr. Tyagi, and you can see that they are making lame excuses for this Lal Batti and using it. And look at Kumar Vishwas who's coming up and giving them new ideas.
Yeah.
I see no reason why all political parties can't follow this Aam Aadmi's policy of not using Lal Battis. And I'm really worried. I hope now these political parties are not going to come up with an ordinance in the parliament to reverse this decision of the Supreme Court.
They should. I say they should. Mr. Tyagi, आपने सुना? कर्नल महेश को जवाब दीजिए.
अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एमपीज के लिए मना कर दिया है, आज के बाद मैं चाहूंगा कोई ना इस्तेमाल करे, लेकिन आप बैठा करके अपने पैनल पे बिना मतलब के जो 30-30 साल 40-40 साल से पॉलिटिकल फील्ड में लगे हुए हैं, जिन पे कोई आरोप नहीं, उनको गाली तो मत दिलवाइए आप.
अरे एक रूल है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का, नोटिफिकेशन आप सुनना नहीं चाहते. लोग क्या समझते हैं इसके बारे में?
वालों जहां का मैं हूं.
नहीं, इसमें गाली की क्या बात हो गई? लोग कह रहे हैं कि लाल बत्ती निकालिए, नीली बत्ती निकालिए, येलो बत्ती निकालिए, बत्ती कल्चर चेंज कीजिए. आप गुस्सा क्यों हो रहे हो?
आप बैठा करके भाषण देते हो.
आप बत्ती कल्चर को खत्म कीजिए. लोग भाषण क्या दे रहे हैं? लोग प्रश्न कर रहे हैं आपको.
बत्ती नहीं लगाएगा.
लोग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं आपको.
आप बत्ती भी खत्म कीजिए, फर्स्ट क्लास भी खत्म कीजिए.
Kumar Vishwas, you want to respond to him, please? One sec. Kumar Vishwas, to him.
खाली लाल बत्ती क्यों?
लाल बत्ती बहुत बड़ा सिंबल है.
इसमें कोई व्यक्तिगत बात नहीं है.
और कुमार विश्वास आप जानते हैं मेरे बारे में.
मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं, इस देश में अरे भाषण नहीं दे रहा. आदरणीय, मैं आपसे अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, आप जनता दल के नेता हैं, आप पहला प्रस्ताव लाइए सदन में और कहिए कि लाल बत्तियां समाप्त होनी चाहिए. आप पहला प्रस्ताव लाइए, हम आपका आदर करेंगे, हम आपका सम्मान करेंगे. हम आपसे उम्मीद करते हैं, इसीलिए कह रहे हैं. आप पुराने समाजवादी नेता हैं, जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं, आप कर सकते हैं.
40 साल से मुझे जानते हो
कि आज के बाद से किसी मंत्री को लाल बत्ती की इजाजत नहीं है.
मैं ये कह रहा हूं आपको,
सेक्रेटरी लेवल के आदमी लाल बत्ती की इजाजत नहीं है. आप महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को दे दीजिए. केवल संविधान में केवल उन्हीं को इम्यूनेशन प्राप्त है, बाकी क्यों?
विश्वास आपने कभी मुझको इस तरह का आचरण करते हुए कभी देखा?
One more question.
रखा है.
आप भी वहीं के रहने वाले हो, मैं भी वहीं का रहने वाला हूं.
KC Tyagi, this is not personal. Please don't make the debate personal. I'm not interested in personal. Chetan Bhagat, I have a statistic I have a fact to add here. You know Asaram, the infamous Asaram, the notorious Asaram, who is now in jail, but such was his audacity.
I think the red light.
No, can I just,
red light means something else for us.
No, one second. Anyway. Such was his audacity. No, Chetan, one serious point. Such was the inaction of the Rajasthan government in 2008 that his car was allowed, Asaram's car was allowed a red light. And he was allowed to travel from Gujarat to Rajasthan with it. In November 2011, his son Narayan Sai, also in jail, who was caught a few days back, was found in Mumbai with a vehicle with a Lal Batti. He said, the vehicle has been given to me by a Mantri ji who is my disciple. So Asaram and Narayan Sai were also walking around with the Lal Batti. What more proof do we need?
आई थिंक मैं अभी हिंदी में ही बोलूंगा. काफी लोग आज हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं. मैं सारे पुराने नेताओं से ये कहूंगा कि सीख लो यार. आप अब तो जीतने लग रहा है, अब तो बदल जाओ. ये क्या है लाल बत्ती का नशा? Someone once told me कि चेतन, जो लाल बत्ती का नशा है ना, वो कोई और नशा नहीं है लाइफ में. और आप वो नशे को अब छोड़ दो, क्योंकि ये आपका करियर का बहुत नुकसान करेगा. इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. एंड आई थिंक अर्नब, देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ दीज लाल बत्तीज बिकॉज इट इज इक्वेटेड टू वीआईपी. दिस VIP is also very Indian concept, very important person. I don't know. I mean, who are the rest? LIPs, less important people?
Absolutely.
I mean, the rest of the people are less important.
Arnab,
and what is this VIP?
Arnab, I do want to add one
so
thing.
this LIP and VIP and VVIP and...
Yes, Gaurav. Don't get exasperated, Gaurav. Please.
Now, can I respond?
Yeah.
I am not Arnab. I have patiently waited for my turn because I was listening to other panelists, but I would like to place certain facts which are relevant. If you allow me, I will do that. I first of all wanted to point out that even for the state of UP, when I was appearing, the state of UP never appeared as an adversary. Mr. Salve was appearing for the petitioner and he was made the amicus, and state of UP submitted a notification which we are duty bound to place before the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court read that and asked us that all these dignitaries are constitutional authorities. We told them that some of them are statutory authorities. And then we submitted that whatever decision is passed by the Supreme Court, we will abide by that. In fact, to curb this red light menace, the state of UP started a drive, and more than 500 red beacons and 1200 hooters were removed.
Well, then, you know, you'll find.
And then we submitted a report.
Gaurav, you've not done enough.
I am not done. Can I? Arnab, please let me place some facts, please. Please allow me. I request you. Please allow me. Allow me. Okay. Secondly, Kumar Vishwesh was saying something. I really admire whatever they have done. But please, Kumar, it is not as if only people in Aam Aadmi Party are good citizens and all other leaders and parties are corrupt. I think we are all trying to contribute in building the nation. We are all trying to come forward with the right things which will help the nation.
No, Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, you made your point. No, it's not about good or bad. No, it's not about good or bad. Please don't make it a moral argument. Did anybody say you're a bad person? No, don't trivialize the argument. Don't trivialize it.
About myself.
No, 1 minute. I am making one point to Kiran Bedi. I'm taking a caller.
There was a law
Gaurav, that law has been made by your state government. Change the law.
Please allow me.
Change the law. Take away the lal battis.
The Supreme Court interprets it, and the state government would abide, and it is all the state governments in the country. Every state government came forward before the Supreme Court.
I am asking Kiran Bedi the next question. Kiran Bedi will answer the next question. I am going to a caller. I'd like to also say this, that in a bizarre declaration, the Delhi police in its affidavit to the Supreme Court on the use of red beacons had said that this is not provided because of their status or any specific threat, but to facilitate bold and impartial decision making by them. Which means without a lal batti, Kiran Bedi, you can't do your work.
I think they mustn't have read what they were writing, because there is no logic with that. And I agree with Maxwell Pereira, red means emergency. And it is for emergency, it is for pilot cars, it's to make way. Red car is to make way. Siren and red light is to make way. And not muscle your way through because you are so and so. But the key now is, Arnab, Supreme Court, having issued this judgment, must see that it's implemented. Because we can't have judgments of Supreme Court not implemented and violated, and then just filing routine contempt of court.
Which is why
we need to once the Supreme Court delivers a judgment, it must be enforced.
People must take the responsibility into their hands and expose those who are not following the law. One caller, and my next caller is Hemant from Mumbai. Hemant, good evening.
Hi Arnab, good evening.
Good evening. What do you want to say on this, Hemant?
Well, I have to say so many things on this silly topic which our great politicians are debating today for nothing. At first, I congratulate you. You have started the news hour today with a very correct questions and very pertinent questions. I agree totally with Mr. Maxwell Pereira and Mr. Chetan's comments, and I'm sure the whole country agrees. We are very happy today with the observation that SC has made. For us, this was more of a nuisance. Now, I'll come to the questions, and there are some comments. Arnab, please allow me.
Please wrap it up quickly, Hemant. Come to the question quickly.
I wish to know why some politicians like Mr. Bhatia and Tyagi are getting nervous with the judgment. Do they think the meaning of carrying? What do they think the meaning of carrying red and orange beacons on their vehicles?
We are not getting nervous.
Is it challenging their Mr. Important feeling which they carry?
We are not getting nervous.
Listen to them. See, I like this.
Mr. Bhatia,
Mr. Arnab, we are not getting nervous.
नहीं देखिए त्यागी जी आम आदमी प्रश्न कर रहे हैं, ये आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं प्रश्न कर रही है, ये आम आदमी आपको प्रश्न कर रहा है कि ये क्या हो रहा है. You see, please,
Mr. Bhatia, when you beg
Mr. Bhatia
for some moment to speak, I also request you to just listen to what I am saying.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so these are my two questions to these two politicians. I think with the recent election results, they should be very wary of carrying such thoughts and instead concentrate more on serving the nation sincerely.
Now, you know, Mr. Hemant, what I'll say to you is you stay on the line. To our guests, you know, it's very interesting. A businessman from Mumbai is calling and challenging two politicians on the News Hour today saying, are you getting insecure? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this debate because in the newsroom behind me, I have the phone calls just buzzing on the subject, which means people feel very strongly. I will take a break, and to all the gentlemen, I want 10 more minutes of your time because I'm coming back in 3 minutes on the News Hour tonight. I need 15 minutes of your time.